Welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to design this thumbnail. Okay, so for that we will visit one website, and the website name is Canva. Okay, the same website. So what we will do, we will just click on home. We'll go to YouTube thumbnail and see here you will get many thumbnails. Some are paid and some are free. Here you can see this is paid one, and like this is also paid. See, whenever you get paid, you don't have to touch that one. You can always go with the free version, okay, or free thumbnail templates. So I will select this one as you have seen in the picture. So here what I have did, I have changed the content, like I have written money, and then I have decreased the size. Okay, the thumbnail is ready. Now if you want that, you want to replace your own picture, then just delete it and bring another picture here. How to do that? Upload, and if you see that you have picture of yours, then just select it and put it here. So this picture is not good or not visible. So yes, of course you can select the color here white, and now I can put my own picture here. Okay, this picture, this is visible in this way. Okay, anyway, so I will go to the back one by doing undo. Okay, so if you have picture like this, you simply delete it and go and put this picture, suppose this picture. Okay, in this way. So our thumbnail is ready. It totally depends on your picture, and if you want to delete it, you just select it and delete it, select it, delete it, in this way. If you don't want these things, delete it. Okay, so our thumbnail is ready. So in this way you can design your thumbnail just by using existing template on Canva, and that template is free of cost. Okay, so just go ahead and download it. That's it for this lesson. So meet you in the next lesson. For now, bye bye.